That's so annoying, you don't even know. Oh my god, Alfie. Wake up. Yes. Now shut up. He's been doing that for the past hour.